Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hayday on laptop. First, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics a mobile device on your computer. This allows you to download and run mobile apps, including Hayday, directly on your desktop or laptop. Choosing a reputable emulator ensures a stable and enjoyable gaming experience. The setup process is generally very simple and quick to complete. Once you understand the concept, the next step is to choose an emulator. Popular options like BlueStacks and LD Player are widely used and offer good performance. Always download the software directly from the emulator's official website to ensure you get a safe and legitimate version. The installation wizard will guide you through each step, making the process straightforward for everyone. With your emulator installed, open it up and sign in using your Google account, just like you would on a new phone. Then, navigate to the Google Play Store inside the emulator. Search for Hayday and proceed with the installation. Once the game is downloaded, you can launch it directly from the emulator's home screen and begin building your farm. To enhance your Hayday experience, take some time to adjust the emulator's settings. You can often allocate more RAM or CPU cores for smoother gameplay. Also, consider customizing keyboard controls to make farming and interacting with your town more efficient and enjoyable. This can significantly improve your overall experience. And hey, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, make sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.